Now, the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has also reacted on this incident. He has assured strict action will be taken against those who are involved. He's further hit back at Rahul Gandhi for his statement on this incident. Let's listen into what he said.
जो कनेक्शन हो अभी पूरी तफ्तीश होगी और सब तरीके से जो भी उनके काम होंगे, कार्रवाइयाँ होगी, हर चीज के ऊपर पुलिस कार्रवाई करेगी.
Ratmesh, strong words coming in, promises and assurances being made by the Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. What action is the government of Maharashtra now going to take?
This incident which had happened in Pune is not a normal accident which has happened. Yesterday, Deputy CM of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis took a meeting with the Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar and other officers over there, and he has guided them to take a particular action on them, and no one should be no innocent should be. No innocent should be arrested over there. That also has been stated by Maharashtra Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis, and as well as he is having a home ministry over in Maharashtra. He is also keeping the eye on this situation, whatever happened in Pune, and also the question is being arised that the family of the boy is connected with the underworld. So over that, the Maharashtra Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis also stated that no one will be spared over here, and whomsoever is responsible in this connection will be taken action against them, and also his father, the boy's father, is also been arrested over here because how he gave vehicle to the underage child, and he drove the vehicle, and the two people are being killed over in this accident. And now the father is being also produced in front of the court. He is going to be produced in front of the court, and the remand will be taken. And the police will take the remand, will please for the remand over in front of the court, and try to take the remand from the court, as well as the boy. He is also going to be present in front of the court, and police is trying to take this all over the trial in an adult court, because the crime which he has been done is not a simple or a normal crime. This is really a tragic incident which happened in Pune. The 17-year-old underage guy drinks alcohol from a pub, and he drove the vehicle of a Porsche that too cost around 10 crores. And after that, he was driving and he hit the two people
all these these illegal pubs and bars that have now been demolished by the Pune Municipal Corporation. The pub that this boy had visited, was it also an illegal entity?
Till now the Pune Municipal Corporation is taking action on them, and research work is been going on by the Pune Municipal Corporation. But I want to tell the viewers that the two pubs, the place he went and he drank the alcohol, is been sealed by the police, and the investigation is still going on.
Okay.
We need to wait for the further details.
Okay, all right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.